Hey guys, Trades here. So I got this crazy idea to try and ask ChatGPT for a trading strategy. I basically just asked for the best day trading strategy, which is mechanical and easy to use. And then my plan is to backtest it and see the results. Here's what ChatGPT came up with. It sounds like a very simple strategy called the Opening Range Breakout, and it's on the 5-minute chart, and the rules are very simple and easy to follow. And here you can see the rules. It's the Opening Range Breakout strategy, 5-minute version, very mechanical, easy to follow, not complicated, no indicators. Step by step, you use the 5-minute time frame, and the asset, you can use basically everything. I think you define the opening range, mark the high and the low of the first 5-minute candle after the market opens, so 9:30 to 9:35 EST. Then your entry is buy when the price breaks above the high of the first candle, and you sell when it breaks below the low of the first candle. Stop loss placed just below for longs and above for shorts, the opposite side of the opening range basically. Then your take profit, option 1 is 2x your stop loss distance, and option 2 is the trail. Stop using 5-minute low and high of each bar. I'll basically just be doing this one. Yes, now I want to show it how you use this strategy, and I'm using FX Replay to backtest the strategy. So the rules are as follows: 5-minute chart, time zone EST, so you go down here and you find UTC -4 New York. The rules are you mark the high and the low of the first 5-minute candle, so the candle after this candle you mark the high and the low. Let's say it breaks the high of the candle, then you go long, and if it goes lower than the low of the candle, then you sell. Your stop loss is on the opposite side of the range, and your take profit is 2x every time. So let me just demonstrate this. It's very easy on the FX Replay here. You go one candle forward. Now we have the 9:30 candle, as ChatGPT said. You mark the high, mark the low of the candle, then you go forward, and as you can see, we broke the low. So now we go short. This is a pretty big stop loss, but we don't care. It's a very mechanical strategy, so we just do very simple and easy. Now we have a 2 risk to reward ratio, and then we click on this box, place order, and we can see estimated loss is $1,000, it's 1%, and estimated profit is 2,000. So you click save here, and then you can just go forward and see what happens. So we took a loss, then you go to the next day, New York session. I've already set it, so automatically it goes to 9:25 the next day, and we do the same again. Mark the high and the low here. Done that. Okay, broke the low just with a wick. We don't care. 2x above, just easy to do. And then we find a 2x right here, and we do the same again. Remember to mark this box properly, and we go up there. Click save, and let's see what happens. This was a winner, and the one before was a loser. Let's just do one more for the demonstration. Go to the next day, find price, first candle is this one, mark the high and the low, go to next, we broke the low, go short, and 2x, mark the box, click place order, save, and let's see what happens. And this was the winner as well. So this strategy, very simple and easy to follow, and you could of course make some more rules as you go on, but this is just a test, very simple test, and I will show you the results at the end of the video. Here's me just backtesting. I sped it up quite a bit, but it's just to see how I did it, and I did it over 3 months from May of the 1st to today, the 21st of July. So about a quarter of a year. The sample is not big enough, but it's just for a test. Let's see the results now. If you want to try and backtest yourself, I would say FX Replay, very fast and seamless. Just go to my link in the description and you'll get to this, and you can click on get started. And when you're here, you can just sign up. And when you have chosen your email, you can get a 5-day free trial for both subscriptions. I'm currently using this one. Now we can see the results on FX Replay, and yes, they are quite disappointing. You can see I ended up with the -12% or $12,000. The account balance started at 100k, it's now at 88k, and the win rate for this was 26%. So we had 26% win rate, and that is not enough for profit. With a 2x risk to reward ratio, you need at least 40% to be in profit, and we were down here. We can see I did the 3 months. I did full of May, full of June, and yeah, half of July basically, and only one profitable month and one big losing month and a small losing month here. Maybe not the best sample size. You could obviously do January to July, gain some more insights to the strategy. Here you can see the different months: May, June, and July. So July overall an okay month in my opinion, but as I said, very small sample size. So what's the conclusion on this trading strategy from ChatGPT? Probably not the best strategy. It's too simple. You are disregarding news, the overall bias. But from backtesting this, I gained some nice insights, I would say. So maybe I could turn this strategy profitable if I took some trades off and maybe did something else here and there. Maybe I'll make a video on that later to see if I could make this strategy profitable and maybe do a bigger sample size. ChatGPT, probably not the best. I would definitely go and test the system gives you before you actually go into the markets and try it out. But a very funny strategy, I would say. Very simple, very easy, and maybe I'll do a new video where I do something else with another strategy. Hope you enjoyed this video. It was Trades here, and I'm out. Bye.